Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, class 7th students, be safe, be responsible. Okay, now it's time to start your chapter first of book Honeycomb. Chapter name is Three Questions. Now, let's begin. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, and what is the most important thing for him to do. So, at the time, once upon a time, there was a certain king. Okay, he gets a thought in his mind that he would never fail if he knew three things. And these three things were: first one is, what was the right time to begin everything? What was the right time to do, to start something? So this one was first question, and second one was, who were the right people to listen to and whom to avoid. Okay, next question, the third one was, what was the most important thing to do in the world? What was the most important thing to do for him, okay, in the world? Now, these were the three questions. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. Now he proclaimed that the ones who give the right answer shall be rewarded. He or she shall be rewarded by the king for the right answers. Okay, he promised. Now, many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Many learned men, wise men, or I can say many intelligent men attempted to answer. Okay, but they all came up with different answers. They all have different opinion. So, in reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Okay, so in reply to the first question, some said that to know the right time for every action, one should, what should do one? One must draw, one must right time, to know the right time for every action, one must draw up in advance a table of days. One must prepare a timetable. Everyone should prepare a timetable for days, months, and year, and must live strictly according to the timetable. Okay. Now, only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time? Only thus could everything be done at its proper time. Okay. They asked him, if someone follow the timetable, they have to perform according to the timetable. Now, others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Okay, so some was favor in this favor, some was in the favor of that particular thing of the timetable, and some were opposed of this. So all have different opinions, all have different answers. Now the king should notice all that was going on. King notice all the things, avoid foolish pleasures, always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed council of wise men. Council means a group of people chosen to give advice, or we can say council of people who able to advise someone, advisors, team of advisors who would help him at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others. The right time for every action. So, after that whole conversation, the king decided that he needed to ask a wise person. He wanted to search a wise person in his kingdom. Okay, rest paragraph I will explain in next video. Okay students, till then stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.